Hi, to change wallpaper of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 as a first step, let's unlock it and now go in its settings. Here on the left side we need to scroll a bit so we could see this section wallpaper and style. Just select it and now you can see the preview of your current wallpapers, and to change it you will need to select this option, change wallpapers. Here you can see some categories such as featured, gallery, create with AI, graphical, colors, wallpaper, services. Don't forget to swipe left to check more options. The same goes for each of the tabs from the list. And if you would like to set your own photo, you will need to go in this gallery and select something from your gallery. Let's choose this tab, create with AI, and select generative. So I'm gonna just tap on it, and now we got some pre-installed options. Let me just scroll through them, and now we can create something new. For example, let's select this first one, imaginary. I'm gonna tap on it, and here we can replace some of the words. For example, let's replace lamp with castle. We can replace flowers or leave it like that, and also we can change color. From pink and purple we can switch to this, for example, burgundy and maroon. And after that you need to tap this generate button, agree with terms of service, and just wait a couple of seconds till AI will be generating your new wallpaper. And here is the results. Really pretty. I like this one, so let's select it. I'm gonna tap set, and now we can choose where we want to apply this wallpaper, to lock screen or to home screen or both. So if you would like to apply it only to your lock screen, you will need to disable home screen by tapping it and reverse, or we can set it to both lock screen and home screen. So let's do it, and I'm gonna tap next button, and here you can see the preview, how it will look on your lock screen. You can also swipe to change the style like that. You can add your contact information here, add some widgets. Let's add battery widget like that. And here we can also replace apps. So we can replace this notes with flashlight, for example, by tapping it, and replace camera with something else, but I'm gonna leave camera. And also you can just select another style for the time, and of course you can change its color and set your own custom color like that. And when you are done changing this wallpaper, just tap this done button, and let's check the changes. So here is how the home screen looks now, and let's check lock screen. And yep, here is my lock screen. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.